Membronous nephropathy is one of the most common causes of kidney diseases in adults worldwide and is usually diagnosed in middle age. For most patients, it is an autoimmune disease, which means it is caused by the patient's own immune system damaging the kidney itself. The immune system creates antibodies, and sometimes these go rogue. In the last 10 years, this antibody has been identified as anti-PLA2R. There are other antibodies that can do this, but anti-PLA2R is usually the culprit. Anti-PLA2R sabotages the system by attaching to an important part of the filter system of the kidney, called the podocyte. This allows the kidney to leak protein into the urine, leading to low amounts of protein in the bloodstream, which in turn causes swelling of the body. This is called nephrotic syndrome. The swelling usually starts in the ankles and feet, but can also affect the hips, the abdomen, and around the eye. You could feel weak or cold, have a loss of appetite, and in severe cases, there is an increased risk of infection and blood clots. There is a blood test now available to check the level of anti-PLA2R in the blood, but for most people, the diagnosis is made using a kidney biopsy. Why does this happen? We're not sure, but it is thought that some people have the right genetic makeup to be able to get it, if they encounter the right trigger at the right time. It is not, however, a genetic condition that you can get from your parents or pass on to your children. Treatment generally consists of damping down the immune system in order to stop it producing as much of the anti-PLA2R and to stop it attaching to the kidney. We do this in the form of steroids and immunosuppression. Not everybody will need treatment. Sometimes the disease improves on its own, but some people will develop kidney failure. People who have very high levels of protein in their urine or poor kidney function are more likely to develop kidney failure and therefore may need treatment to improve symptoms and to prevent this development. A good outcome is remission, which is where there is no evidence of the disease, with no protein in the urine and no change in the function of the kidney. Although the disease itself cannot be cured, medications nowadays are very good at controlling the condition, and lots of research is ongoing to find even better treatments for the disease, many of which are now being trialled around the world.